If you're serious about making money online, you want to watch this video from the beginning to the end. In today's video, we're diving into 7 free online courses offered by the great Harvard University and that can help you achieve financial milestones. And not only that, that will absolutely change your life. I mean, let's face it, it's Harvard. And you know, if you have Harvard on your resume, then you are just gonna be having doors opened for you left and right. I hope and I believe that is the case. I'm going to tell you how you can apply for these online courses. I will give you the links to go and apply for these online courses directly at Harvard. So stick around and make sure you watch all the way to the end. That way you know how to go and apply for these courses. So let's get into the video. Top on our list today, the first course that you can take freely and from Harvard University online is that of a remote work revolution. So they're offering a course for remote work revolution for everyone. So remote work revolution for everyone is a course that is perfect for adapting to the modern work environment. This course provides strategies for effective remote working, collaboration, and leadership. So Harvard has realized that there is a big need in the remote workspace to create a course for this. And what better way to hone your skills if you are looking to work remotely than taking this course? Guys, it's free. So with remote work becoming the norm, these skills can help you to secure a very high-paying job in remote jobs and manage remote teams efficiently. And with a Harvard degree, you are guaranteed to make over $5,000 a month. So giving you the flexibility and income you deserve. There's your number 1 course offered by Harvard University freely online that you can take advantage of today. The second equally important course that you can take freely online from Harvard University is that of entrepreneurship in emerging economics. If you're thinking about starting your own business, entrepreneurship in emerging economics course offers insights into building a successful enterprise in developing markets. You will learn about the challenges and opportunities in these economies, and you will also develop strategies for innovative solutions, and it will also arm you with knowledge to be able to identify profitable ventures and also grow your income exponentially. So guys, this is a course that you want to look into if you are looking to start maybe an online business, maybe to become online entrepreneur. This is a perfect course for you, and it will give you the skills you need to be able to become successful in this field. The next course that can exponentially multiply your source of income is that of contract law, from trust to promise to contract. This is a course offered by Harvard University in understanding contract law, and it's invaluable, especially if you are venturing into entrepreneurship and freelancing. So this course on contract law covers the principles of contracts, how they can be formed, and how you can have them enforced. So by knowing your rights and obligations, you are able to negotiate better deals, protect your interests, and ensure your business transactions are legally sound, which paves the way for higher earnings. This is a course every business person must take, including myself. This is a course that if you are in any kind of business, it will give you the sharp skills that you need to be able to sign those deals, land multi-million contracts, land multi-million deals, ink all kinds of deals left, right, and center. University is offering online for free. And again, like I said, the link will be provided towards the end of this video. So please make sure you watch all the way to the end so that you can know how to go about applying for these free online courses from Harvard University. Fourth course that Harvard University offers online for free, guys, and this is a hot cake because this is what the world is using as we speak at the moment. And yes, you guessed it right. This is artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence has literally transformed industries across the globe. So Harvard's AI course offers a deep dive into the principles and applications of artificial intelligence, including machine learning, neural networks, and all kinds of robotics. So in order to master the artificial work revolution, just write remote work revolution. If it's AI, just write intelligence position for you to be able to get high-end and demand roles in tech companies, research institutions, and startups, significantly boosting your earning potential. You definitely want to take this course with Harvard University. This is the way to go, guys, and everybody in the present day world is using artificial intelligence one way or another. Even if you are not currently working online, AI is involved in your life one way or another, whether you know it or not. So guys, make sure you check this course out, and also kindly let me know in the comment section which one of these courses you will be taking. Kindly please let me know. Just write if it's remote AI in the comment section below. Let me know what course you will be applying for, because guys, you can do this for free and it's online. You do not have to go to Harvard, but then at the end of it, you get that Harvard certification or Harvard diploma showing that you actually took this course. I mean, look at that on your resume and pat yourself on the back. The next course that Harvard University will offer and is offering for free online is that of nutrition. So this is in health and society. And understanding nutrition is crucial in today's health conscious world. Obviously, we have people who have made tons and tons of money selling health nutrition foods or selling diets across the world. And this course covers the science of nutrition, its impact on health, and how societal factors influence dietary choices. So with this knowledge, you can be able to pursue careers in healthcare, wellness coaching. You can be able to start your own nutrition consulting business, because you will learn all the ins and outs about nutrition and what you can be able to coach people out there to be able to eat on a daily basis and what to avoid in order to live healthier lifestyles. And this can be very profitable. The food industry is over billions of dollars industry, and this is a place where you can be able to maximize your monthly income with way over $5,000 a month. Last but not least, this is a course that is going to be so lucrative to young people who love gaming. So they have a course on introduction to game developing, okay, or game development. So what you will be learning in this course, it will take you through the fundamentals of game design, how to develop them using frameworks just like Unity and Lab 2D. With the gaming industry booming so much, the skill in game development can lead to a very lucrative opportunity in game studios, indie game creations, or even just creating your own game development startup. So these game development apps that you see on your phones are created by people who have the skills on how to do them, and you can hone those skills with this course from Harvard University that is called the Introduction to Game Development. And again, guys, it is free of charge. So make sure you take advantage of this, and this is coming from the prestigious Harvard University in Boston, United States. You can do this course from anywhere in the world. These online courses are guaranteed to skyrocket your income to way over $5,000 a month. And the best part is that these courses are entirely free and they're accessible online. So you can start learning right away. So guys, there you have it, your 7 free online courses offered by Harvard University. Now, how to go about applying for these courses, the link is in my description. It will take you straight to my Patreon, and you will find all these links listed there that as soon as you press it, it will take you directly to the form, and it gives you guidelines on how to apply for these courses. Now, granted, some of them you might just have to pay a small registration fee, but it does not compare to the value that you get from these courses. So guys, check out the link in my description for my Patreon, and this will take you directly to the links of these courses, each and every last one of them, and therefore you can apply from there. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video, and until the next video, kwaheri.